Hello everyone, welcome to upcoming IAS. So today we'll study about 6th class polity ncert chapter 8. So this is unit 4. So till now we have already covered 3 units. So this unit is all about livelihoods. So this chapter is rural livelihood. So what this page tells us about that chapter 8 explores rural livelihood, as you can see in this picture. Yes, this one right here. Chapter 8 explores rural livelihood, examining diversity in life, work, and plant importance. It examines equal opportunities and life situations in rural areas. Students are encouraged to identify farming related work and describe it in their notebooks, or you can do it in the comment section also. You can see here Kalapattu village, and here few people are working in a farm field, right? And here Tulasi. So let's see what is it all about. Kalpattu village in Tamil Nadu near the sea coast offers various non-farm work, services and shops. The main crop is paddy, grown in irrigated lands. Families earn a living through agriculture, including coconut groves, cotton, sugarcane and plantain. Tulasi works on Ramalingam's 20-acre paddy field with Sekhar's wife Kathuhamma supervising them. Let's move on to next page. Yes. So Tulasi is a farmer who finds regular work in her village, including paddy transplanting and weeding. Her husband, Raman, is a laborer who works outside the village, like loading sand or stone for houses. Tulasi also handles household tasks, collects firewood and fetches water. She and her husband have 2 school-going daughters, but one of them fell ill and needed hospital treatment. Okay, so here the heading is Shekhar on being in debt. So you can see here people doing non-farm activities also. In Tulasi's story, poor rural families spend time collecting firewood, water and grazing cattle for their household despite not earning money. Nearly 2/5 of rural families are agricultural laborers, often traveling long distances for work. Farmers like Shekhar work in rice mills and sell milk to earn extra money. They often borrow money to purchase essentials, which can lead to crop failures also. You can see here is a farm field. Okay, and here a small yellow box has been given. If you want, you can pause the video. You can pause the video and have a look at it. And here is a picture given, that is transplanted paddy growing in a few of Ramalingam's 20-acre, a result of hard labor performed by agricultural workers like Tulasi, so Ramalingam and Karuthamma. Insufficient monsoon rain can ruin crops, leading farmers to be unable to repay loans and potentially causing distress and suicide. Ramalingam and Karuthamma, a large farmer, own a rice mill and a shop, generating income from paddy cultivation and selling it to traders. Their lives differ in land ownership, loans and earnings, with Ramalingam focusing on farming. Here a small snippet has been given, that is terrace farming in Nagaland. This picture. And we'll now read about agricultural laborers and farmers in India and what is their condition all about. So in India, nearly 2 out of every 5 rural families are agricultural laborer families, relying on work on others' field to earn a living. In Kalpattu village, 80% of farmers belong to this group, while only 20% are like Ramalingam. In Chizami village, that is in Nagaland, they practice terrace farming, forming groups to clean weeds and eat together. Okay. So now here it's a picture of fishing, Aruna and Parivalan. So we'll now discuss about another story which involves people from another part of our country. You can see a woman selling fish, fisher woman selling the catch at the local market. So in central India, farming and forest collection are crucial livelihood sources. Some people sell milk to cooperative societies or towns. Fishing villages like Puduppet near Kalpattu earn their living by gathering and selling fish. Aruna and Parivelan live in Puduppet. Okay. So here a heading has been given, that is rural livelihoods. So let's move on. The author discusses their fishing family's financial struggles, including borrowing money for work and selling fish to traders. They own a catamaran, that is an engine, and nets, which they use for better catch. During the monsoon season, they cannot go to the sea, relying on borrowing from traders. The author also discusses the challenges faced by rural families, including the need for loans and impact of the tsunami on their livelihoods. So here chapter ends. Thank you so much for today's class. And if you've got any doubts, you can mention that in the comment section below. And please do like, share and subscribe to our channel.